Hey, what's up guys? How you doing today? And for those around new here, my name is Lothar, I'm from Düsseldorf, Germany. And why I'm saying in the beginning or in the title is dangerous, yeah, because it is dangerous. So if you're having a one wheel and driving on the one wheel and flying a drone in the same time, I think if you're not a regular or good one wheel driver, and if you not have so much experience to fly a drone, a DJI MAVIC 2 or any other drone, I don't recommend to do this. It can be very dangerous. Either you lose control about the drone, or, which is more worse, you lose the control of the one wheel and you make a nosedive, and that I don't want. So don't do this, but try out to my recommendation for the active tracking on DJI drones, because that's really awesome modes you can use, and I want to explain to you. So the Active Track 2.0 is available on the DJI MAVIC 2 Pro and Zoom. As far as I know, it's also available on the MAVIC Mini, and the new DJI MAVIC Air 2 have Active Track 3.0. So what does it mean, Active Track 2.0? So we're talking now about the DJI MAVIC Zoom, because I prefer the Zoom. And first of all, it's a high intelligent modus you can use 3 different ways. One is the following mode, and the following mode you can activate just if you're using Active Track, and then you select following mode. And if you start the drone also, you can turn clockwise or against clockwise the drone, that the drone is following you. Even on the speed you can see here, I regularly fly about 50%. That's for me a very cool speed. So you drive with your one wheel pint, or with your bike, or with your skateboard, or whatever you do, whatever you want to use, and it follows you and circle around you, and that is really awesome, as you can see here. The other active track is profile. Profile is just if you want the profile from your side, and it just go from left to right or from right to left, and it's a nice view on the one wheel. And now what you have seen here is the active track, and it's an intelligent mode, and DJI is saying they're having some algorithm that if you drive a car, or as you see here with my one wheel, there's a 3 between the camera from the copter and me, this intelligent algorithm follows you after the tree. I think it's awesome. The third modus is the spotlight, and I like very much the spotlight mode because that looks really cinematic. So the drone doesn't move, just the camera moves and follow you during your driving your one wheel, skateboard, bicycle, or whatever. Yeah, that's today from my side. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would love to know more about the DJI MAVIC drones or any other copter, if you like to know more about photography, if you like to know more about filming, I highly appreciate. Subscribe let the thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.